Homeschooling was once a rare educational method. Today it is well known and an accepted way to educate your kids. Most parents thinking of homeschooling have a difficult time deciding whether to do it or not. The following is a list of 17 reasons why other parents are homeschooling their kids. There is one important question you must answer correctly if you expect to succeed in homeschooling. I will save that one for the end of the video. The 17 reasons are: private school is too expensive. Their children have problems learning in school or have a hard time getting along with other kids. They have special health needs. They are unhappy with the public school curriculum. They want their kids to have a better education. They enjoy homeschooling and being with their children. They don't want their kids to be badly influenced by other kids and learn their bad behaviors. They want their kids to learn the skills they need to succeed in life. They want their kids to receive an education that caters to their interests, ability level and aspirations. They move around, and this is a way to keep the family together. Their kids would get the individual attention they really needed. It gives the kids a chance to become who they really are by giving them more freedom to express themselves than public schools would allow. They want to see their kid grow and turn into a wonderful, capable, loving person. They want a way of life that allows the whole family to be together. They feel they are releasing their kids to strangers to raise them, and this is not what they want to do. Their own educational philosophy greatly differs with the public school education. So how do you decide whether to homeschool or not? Well, you're going to need a lot of information. You need to learn about the following: academic research, legal homeschooling rules, homeschooling practicals, school materials, how much it will cost, how to evaluate what you are doing. One more important thing you will need to find out. You need to know what it feels like to homeschool your kids, day in and day out. Finally, the most important question you have to answer if you are planning to homeschool your kids is: do you really enjoy being with and spending time with your kids? If you enjoy spending a lot of time with your kids every day, you must like being with your kids most of the time, and if you don't, then most likely, homeschooling is not for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. For a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling courses with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.